You are more for, and then say, essentially, be Jomes is soon away share me. So I wouldn't that syllable cope. And also, yes, say, me the young Mikayo, yes, say. Then, dear, a demu barco pet. It's answered, then, me hit if you had GP, say. Baby, I had that one, me, and member can think of one me, no be, just a cuties be power, me, has say, on better margin. I was almost if you know where say. Because bre o man ko fosa na omo ho enje client ne na mo ba be kire o ma dwen pa wo yese so na answer na no me pa wo cho se me ka kire o se unya subscribe ya 2021 me pa mo cho mamo ne menye sa ade no subscribe adoma no fa sa eboso na video no se be to mpa cho share ma me na comments ni so de me sro ma refi je comment wase honom so ati ase yen to so ne yen ko answer na no ma me introduce the body guys na nyanko de wa ma me to say cuties no o ko be sa be nifa so ha say dia tutum so yo pa be makutu tanwa tamu kutu tamincha say eye very ma prempe o me nchen ha say ne o so we che na adwen ne no we che na adwen no o de oh, fe dua ba ku bi kokko ba ku bi nsasa na say kokko ni tuntu fanta ni coke me de mix me so baby a eye obere ma prince enso o menchen honorable prince enso o menchen ha say we no say time to ku ni de na just o meaning crofo so be come adua kire because o mu de yes ni edi agro bi a on pekra ye to aso ni enko ye kwa ni ye ko strong man be na aso ye awafo strong man de sabunu so no jai hit ba ko to on we ya asem na watwi de oja hit kitu ebi to on na ye bebrebe obi wo internet ne so nya ne say okona asifie o chili o boil e no di video beto na mafo say na strong mo de na pesa o chiri anya nkofo de amafo ye beka ho adwo mba cha ho adwo na emum no ye nkotie ye nkohe video no emransa. You are one for so who also boil on asifie in law papa and na man for BTS say na who strong man that they be all too shade back of way asifie there o kopede o it is say me dey anyam na me kai o yes say strong man say o on asifie bi mun tiase it mo hwe member o mutimi nsani fat ni bekum say o mata mu chuku ye obi abechire ade member mo jure o say there strong man ye ro e good so be call asifie ako topic cha deba to woro ba na e good say nkofo so be ba she decide nto kona asifie me start wo me je CCC yeah about for that me ba dey say me who dey be start to me send fa so
well to me who fun so be e wo me say kona asifie no be trap picture na dey ba be to social media say obi nhwe because on oba ne say na o yereti na ko asifie na mu trap picture. Sometimes I think say be a Christmas quite me call wasifie mutimi ye party mutimi nya family picture na ma posti e social media. I mean who fun so be e ho ankofo e ba strong man esa. To me there me who say.
Oh, okay. E ono there to already that one for or they say strong man to aso. When you MJ to aso strong man to aso. But
me nya ba me mo anisi.
About for already about to bomb minimum.
Strong man o say waso ore on to the pretty. I didn't tell me kasa what ko wasifie e de wasifie ko dwawanum send sanity there be anya this na
so one kasa e ne dia o si na asifie
exactly
wasifie so wasifie say
o make it o one kasa my house o say in my in-laws house e be ono ni in-law no wo good
me pa cho ni bibi good relationship in fact nche na embra reality what you say e san say wo feel say wa ba be fa sikeni ne baba ya what you say woni ne ko fine o de achew o de kokko yusu de o pe bia and say wa be fa de ne de o de ko na wo wie so aba ni fie ye bone so be ko se bia okwa akodi na ni ende efe what you say na se wo de be ba gina bonten mimi se me ntwa mami go ode ya be me
but so no no dey na say
na me ba asoni complaining ana
asoni complain ba me na me complain because strong man na me minim no strong man minim so am this oni se fie no
yeah, say maybe strong man and say strong man buy no. They are meaning to say strong man buy no car say. My house. Any affair che ni akoti no.
Enti what so worry am na be ma kwana kwata operating.
Enti so won koka say e ni fie no say ma si fie a. O de ni monyam na ma na say. De ni monyam say no de ma no.
There be.
Enti fu say won ni de.
Nyam we ni de me me
Prince. Baba beje wa de. Na me de na nko force KF na so Prince car. O se me buafu say de enti no obi akanfo car.
Oh. And what better car no? Car they different from if you.
Auntie say if you na me ben me try picture no so prempe if you out me if you try picture F. Na so nya me fie Prince fie.
Prempe me trim.
Na nko for say I didn't know the Prince fie akotwa picture no waka say Prince fie. Me draw.
Debbie. Okay. Strong man or se waso aware on to ne pet na me kan tie ni yi. Wasi fie. Wo betumi akwaji wani. Na for me twa pictures and beto abontin bedwa wanu mu nkyere me.
Ayeka.
What you must say?
I want fire.
Now what if say bimpo picture no na rempo ne post as well.
Oh, that's saying that you saw one they post picture.
And you say you post picture no social media handle.
There be a strong man and do too.
Yeah, yeah, ban the handle I didn't know say ya papa picture. You picture na ya
strong man if you know they try to come me wo ho asam ka but later me try na asen kwa so open the baba ya nko adwo no we.
Any asem no why den.
Yeah, I don't want
to comments na ebi mu say enye we bad. Ebi to say I say that Carter said I say invite me small why bro and strong man respond there for sure bro and I say hey I still got the bread I contact baby and obin so any essence obi wa ha say oni be ma prince ya jo say la hustle o ko factor kwaba enye sa la sale house la chop la crap say la snap it about for ebi mu ka say so no hustle enye sa dia o ko twa picture wo ne ka say la hustle so dia we all know where la hustle is coming from. I say be person mo settle another beef bisa no ema your friends are strong man so correspond or see the little I have I'm not rich. So I say I'm not rich, but I'm satisfied with what I have. What I have, the small I have, is better than the fraud money.
Yeah, but training him the way mountain. A medical the kind.
Oh boy.
A medical.
Oh boy, Prince. Oh boy.
And a strong my feeling so to trap picture and medical tin or the bragging. Na medical no only BBD. That's what I say.
Prince asma.
No cry back up. Debbie. A medical no dey no ho compare. Medical no dey no ho.
Oh more medical di.
There be na say
na ususu say strong man no medical
onsuro no kwala say na say adenti na wo de wasi fe ba be brag wasi wo fie na je fe hu say wo wutu fie wa ko ware oba
strong man on TV and all the man tin papa
na say ye ne fie strong man
so baby o tin rent kra na wa bre no aye adwuma na hoye
and for hot no for bread ye hu say wona wo de brag
na me ba anti pictures and for celebrity say twa nyina no mu fie no mu ditwa
Masa, I will say celebrity so.
And confirm that now me share. But
we I
share celebrity be. Oko hotel. Now we try hotel room now. Dan say yen share hotel room order. Who did say yen fanya dey order?
And so ko tia.
Na say obi ko no akobi ko twa showroom. Na wa ko fa asiu fie no we twa wa se ode ne baba ma one na wo ba.
O say we make statement we wa say ma me ntwi wa dwembra. O say oko hotel no yere.
Ko twa we hoye ni.
Na say hotel otua ai. Woni amount otua ai. E bi ko twa be pounds.
Na say nya odia.
Otua be 5,000 pounds order for just one day.
For your tuasi e da ho. Yen ko tuasi e da ho.
O de beba.
No ko showroom so ko twa say this is my house and so.
Oh, let's say no ye beba mo. Onu kwa kwa me dey wo problem.
Wait, so me first strong man dey dey say say yen san ko mo say no.
Strong man we enjoy you.
Okay, o dey enjoy no ye wo. Okay. Mo dey yen to ye wa say yen ko medical na nkasa na say na asma beto Joanna mo say la hustle na eye strong man e kan come on. He said also what's about to ya. You say ya one wapa yo. Said media nyame na meka yo. Yes see. Chairman medical wakwakwa order chain bi. I cost $61,131 US. But me boss be. $61,131 about for who was screen so. Media says ka we and me say maybe a factory or Ghana. Oda ko toju o. Oda na koto ju o de tu ni ko
na me nua me bi sa obibi o ususu so ntumi nto ana
na me nam kai
me de ka obetimi atọ times 3
me kai yes na me ka bi na me am bi sa bi ye me say Ghana for e
obetimi atọ times 3 ade nti na me ka sa
o de me ba o see medical obetimi atọ o de ojiri so obetimi atọ comment section hodo the child leave comment so want me to start here brag bia leave hodo
obetimi atọ
okay
ono nko tena na se fie fan brag ono ani fie kura na ono obetimi atọ ama na bro itibe ma ne yo hu otima se na fela maka afikwa akodi na okra no kwampo no ye beti so kra be times 2 because of what you say yeah me
na kim ko ma
na dabi me ba o se fela ko ye beti so ama ne se denti
be se sika ofi what you say
abo wa ne to na na se denti ne
sika ofi
medical nyum be na auto medical nyum na start medical na obo SS4 entertainment na okobo
na wo hu se medical kwa na sifia
medical nyum ma start to year
medical so kwa na sifia
medical nyum medical to no ususu se obetmenya $61,000 akotojiwa atuniko
na adenti no to me
na nyum medical to sika be no nya free nyum we ma life a medical living no ayeti se wo kan strong man e de no o live life or living no enye hu nyum na oto nya hu life no living no
na se me ba
o ni se nyum na oto no nya hu life no living no
subtract the fraud
and medical nya na nu ya be last year no ogbo nyum hit me enu bi ayete medical na nya SS4 na bond entertainment aye friend no ko check
medical bond obond mo a onim ni business a oye kan
oh bema me nu nyina na yeti kroma ye nim se Ghana nyum na omoto no sike free mu ba no in America for Crasica
obetimi atọ times 3
oh bema oboa medical nyum na
woni bi
medical nyum na oto no enya hu sika no odi no minu na woni
adenti na so kasa adenti
then medical on to nyum bia ebetima ma na any 61,000
it's no problem pa ni so ntimi to ju so
oni se sika no adwuma oye no ye hwe wa adwuma oye ehu ne ehu se akoye adwuma oye die despite talker auto Rolls Royce odisa auto bi en despite nyuma wo medical we e bi adwuma no wonim se medical nyum na nim so
ma bimbisa
medical nyum na nim so
auto nyum na wonim na adwuma ya
apart from nyum no dey adwuma no bi nim
na wote say strong my trade
bi o yet ka say twini anim da ha ye monchen na say obi anim say medical or ye fraud
jo it is wonim so ye fraud it is metimi ato
medical ye fraud
ceasefire
and it is a strong man so no so serious so no so koye mi enye na asifie no dey picture
ceasefire
Debbie
and let me see me pay kokonsa me see my jim
wa si fie twa picture o say
wa koye fraud akoto ju oni obi okotina na si fie why na ni
me kwa mo ne number kwa ka metwa so
society ni kra mpo hu say na wa mbre na anya ye na wo koto nyuma ko o de nyuma kata wani e na wo bokro no e fa ase
e ye good if you was dey ka na wa yan chen wo say about medical
ene oni afia se me de nim
ono na no wewe
me hu se afia koye boni bia
o wewe mema uni mama ka che
me hu se afia koye boni
o wewe mema
eh amafo me se me pe na fe we die yes we oh ma tong tokwa aboka tevia unya tokwa fafa me de me ka hwe yes na me ka
me hu se afia effort
o wewe mema
Abavo ode yen season fire ne ko next topic. Ye kwa ye bu ma ko ba wedi she aso ye. Oba he ma ba ko pe. Doji oye asanto oji Ghana music industry female side see won. Ono na so ye ne ye ko. Se je ensa na ehutu ni nyina ne se eye oba pa Dolores from Paul Manson ye delay aye nyina enim nu. Ekotu Wendy fu. Na futu na anko ye ama Wendy. Ninya ne say we see the picture bi on see o comment o so say o hu sister Wendy ye oba hima o hu ni o say depression bi ya chi unua ba so ati ase avede o ka bi on no say wo tunifu entino ye akoda ya for so sore ya o sister on follow no o say je ye ne ya kwa ne say Wendy di kan friend wo WhatsApp so say sister panyi me na watoto ma me sa no so ye show agro nko a avede ya bafo oda sole ya Wendy ya on follow no say on follow na nti dey e fa no bay on frega hwe so what they say she doesn't care does I care I don't care ena Wendy sha bay video say dey enter on follow Crawford madam just say wa ke kan say mebre when I keche Joshua say Wendy asa uba music industry me enche na no kra nya se ayi eboni na film ko ya na we replacement ya se we subtraction bi na obetom so ati ase nya se main one film anka we enkomode wo yi music mu ena na say wo preview wo dressing no bibi mu no ese pani yonte me chire etete ase ahoma no ekeka bo ase electrical wires de keka bo abafo when this what to be amani Joshua chese watutu bi amane no wo sha se ho no ma respond no egu ho I respond mo no say Joshua wo yire dia ne baba be ko de okonu she will get more than what she is going through no or more confirmation say she is on drugs and that's when you depression and cancer. I don't know. Is it no? Menya mema mienu yo bo ha ya obi aka na adwe left and right. Media mene makama no to me. Yes yo. When you see Keche Joshua ne baba that she be she will go through worse than what she is going through right now. Amafo. Mema. It's about to actually be my day. Where them ko pass them by actually me no bo.
Na me ba me ntwa no. Na Keche Joshua no ono so one hwan.
Eh. Na mafo atobob. Eh. No, darling. What is?
Oh, na sa kwande so onye musician. Na se mpo so onye musician na se wo fellow musician ho aba asema. Se nye kwan sa na.
O se Keche Joshua onye musician.
Dabi. Ah, me de minim nyum de. Me tie ne nyum de. Me tie ne. Me matidi Keche no na sa kwa na nkasa no.
So atintin no wo mu.
Oh, me ka se tie na ya to nyum ne ma no to bi. Oh no dia on to nyum bia na no se meti se so ya rapper ko rap beef bi ban ko ne hu ko shem na ya me ya so anfa ne ho anko ke be bubu ne nka sem se pompo wa den fa ono na sem ne nto ba bi na ya mbra delay ne Wendy shade ne so to me hu ni say delay e da adwen ne third trace se me fa ne se so hu ni say Wendy shade yo ni aketwa no pass through bibia enye papa ubetumi a friend no to say Wendy ka say oh on the number no expect say ubetumi a friend so bia me nu aketwa oh me hu se kwan say na onam so but bia enkoye na how bi o ha na but wo de ne beto abonten wo sopa na mama nsan nyina ye de wo na akofa asem bai after say me say Instagram ye nyina ye ho but say obi on follower ye ma notification na kan cho say obi a on follow so what I say but the day adwin na e wo delay adwin mu a after say no super when the say ni we no osma me nkwohwe say wo follow me ana wo follow me
Oops.
What I say delay no why na ho to say ase me dey mean fan say oni adwempa mo ase okeka nipa na do akoto jam na wayi ni ho afiri ho na wa betena akire say ase oye nipa papa na me dey futo na me betu za me no tie me nuaba ubi bi nkoye na me pewasma me fro kokwam na matufu so ate ase me fa me to amansan enten tan so obi a nte won ka say ana say
okay
ti delay anya de
okay
wa anya de
o si delay anya de o
me nuaba
na say share the way when this says why Lady Gaga so ye hwan you drag queen here so nam Ghana ya odwen ho say
the cry ba ko pe o ka no wa free delay on the Ghana ona no kaka no kansam ye dey ache na che
delay ha cha
waka
eh
ena me nuaba we do we say so no so pompo Wendy we sro u campus na ya na odi dia brem why because o dressing you also ya na no Washington odika baba pasa odoka Debbie say because I make a delay nini aketwa ne no efe obetimi ayde afre no oh when they say bad advice so say e say comment no baby kwa delay kwa eka baby say so omo no mo si so no mo nya impenifo bi sa ma etu omo fo a what you say na when nya no nche say wo so mentu obi fo
yeah okay
what you say
it would all support say ka delay or kan obedwam no e good so kan
delay or kan obedwam no in other way no one can ye to extend say mama cho Wendy ni kambu ni enim say when the dress in enkoye ne nwom no de ahohyehyɛ and enim and yet delay no ba be ka kire o Ghana as ye hu say ono no de ahohyehyɛ no de ba ye what ma say
ontu person ka say Wendy nwom nye de
oh ne nwom ye da ahohyehyɛ
be ma bia penhwe a ya bɔ kofo mu nyina din wo ma mampanyifo din wo mu no enya nwom
ono ma me kire ono no de ba oba ye no oba for purpose na the purpose ni pa na oba no chase no no ndo le pino
wo na Ghana phone ehun ni
Ghana phone nyina nim say o chesi ebony
oh Debbie
what you must say
that perception
bibisa oh yeah bibisa na
that perception no na enipa bebre ewo say replacement ye de ne ba said nba be replace Ebony enti na manu ntina ma nipa bebre nya Ebony sorry enya Wendy say ho tan say I say or your replacement of Ebony
but okay
yes who so be
Ebony no Ghana for who Ebony in a way say Ebony the standard now would drew here obi entimi drew but ye Ghana for ye ni sa adwene free team say there be a person dey nipa bi to obi ho say oni obi ye pe and obi copy we na obi copy we but style tie
ono abeka
me ba any style or buy or copy
ono buy obeka o se wa be se na na mu
me ba ne pa wa asma wo kan dress na nka say wo
oh and the dress
me ba dress na nka say wo ya ye kan obi timi to Gucci shoe dressing to me no it's about senior be shade na be feel comfortable wa de na show ni and secondly wadwuma o ye etimi kire ade a ahofama su a obefa ebi oba anwum to no mu foforo no na ahofa suo no ene nwom na oto no enko enti wo sesanti samba bo na so okoto na nye store no oto no
ma me tro ba be kebi
dabi empabo na omo ye empabo na store no omo ye
ma ye wo she onu wandi nu onyendu time so se sample
ni fo na se
ye ke omo she sample bo na wa ni tua se wa woni tua de
me dem ani tia
me na ba ya wa wi omo se no omo she sample bo na che se some plastic bi e de ewom what did I me tell us here na wo ba be ye replacement wo ba be no wo nam ba
on kai mo na mo de to ni so
oba no be kai ye am say wo nyantie
ceasefire ceasefire ma hwe ya say pepper ya say bi
no wa bre Ghana for ensa no cyberbullying ni too much ena ne mpabo aso ena na tade na want to tum ena wa say we ena wa ye say you me kan say there was a time in who picture bi ni ho otan wa ye say wa bre Ghana for ensa no
ho otan de no man kan ye but no ho de enye from mom
en sem ni dos wo girl no sis mun jan no nya na sum je
o fe de oni bi
mo bully girl ni too much
there e by force am fa no
hey
o de me yenti de ni by force
I want for FMP for FMP
o se Wendy hu nya fe
o jai
Wendy pa na o kan yo
o try the tifi ni body ni so yo bia
then ni tini na nya obi ana se body no
tini yo bia body ni de me consider kakra na ni tini de me fa ya hwe
oh
me lawyer that me see me near de me kan crofonsem na de
when the oma hanache also mun jai girl no de no
so tena ni baby anko bi aha no
ha
tena baby ya force
mo ti Ghana mun so talent so Ghana say no mun so talent so o to so kra na e talent
woni bibi
obi tonyu mun se anye talent obi to so a e talent obi timi koka na no obi koka malafaka wa be star ense hunu kwa na yeso so Ghana
se o create ni de
anya one creative Ghana o kan kwase asema ene yepe o kan nya asema yempe obi the talent free abrochi mem se menya talent broni mem amfa
ti se we say ni ma me ese otete ni ti se Kristo ni ba what you say yes so ni de na o ye ni nche so Kristo ni ba inte no ni nche se o se na o ye e go ni no ba no de ni star
na when the why man nye Kristo ni
o wa kwase ni jeans ni ke bi na 1 to 2 na no na
oh e bi azip na e bi na wan hwan tu se wa ka
oba o dress won hwa hwehwem
na Kristo sum fata de ho
wa she kan boot se ti
anyum tuwe
ja dia wo kan
ceasefire me na mun say me show ni mama that me go be fire service for me jina chire wana David
mentimi ni princess obi rebranding ho a mo say yenti ase
o ya copy
next way because my fan fam a omienu no say me catch am say na show isu ase waba say nkofo ni
so kwese kambu kakrakasa
obi rebranding ho atom mpaboa ye wo store say ento na mpaboa no nim ne bo
ye ne bo ne hia
oni mpaboa na ese ne bo
dressing na wa dressing na nkoyi
ene musician dressing pa no
okay
oma bulletin po bi ma no non dressing no aso ababonten
why
bullet on po bi ma no non dressing aso ababonten
but me bisa so biem say during the course of the week na mu so no when di mame video bi o kasa bebre no so bashi Ghanaians for na ade mo me hwe video na when di mame kasa no embraye ba beto aso ho ma che madwen
sometimes I na metna me Facebook page na me hwe nsemu bi ani niema bi aya na nkrofo bi trotro especially omokro omoya me nanfofo wo Facebook metimi dwene ho a mekenka bi aya na me dwene ho aya na me ntia se na mabisa se nenti enkrofo ya na omo trust ansemu enti sabe omo wo ma enti omo wa badaye enti ediampo na ya omo dwene ansane se wo bebie wano aka obiba eho asem anase wo beka entro bibia ensem fata afo obiba ho no wankasa no ediampa na ya na wo dwene sabe ewo wutirim wakoma mu ansana wa make comment bi wo dwene Ghana fo ho especially yan ye Ghana fo na aya na menti ase abusuafo anwumre me ba ya masem tie na mde eba ye mo amo chro mo amo ka mo pensensemu mo amo ka ne mu nim mo amo pe hype mo obi ka ese like abusuafo me da mu nyina ase mu nyina mo wo mu a eye eno ena eka ho ema bofra no waduru mpempenso a waduru no ba samba ko ameka kire ematan ni mematan ayaya Africa fo Ghana fo ese mo wi fo nsa aya no mahwe mo nsa mo wi ofo nsa aya no mahwe mo nsa na mahunu se ewiase yase kwasia no se yede menyonko ye ne me ene bia me ba ena mo nipa nyina ya twi na bo so no but ebia na kina na nso eye wo ba enti niameka na maka ni biam ni masisu pise abusuafo ensama mo kafa kwala no hu ni nyina enye nokre when the show onye depressed afei next month nyame ye na doma no anya 25 years enti dia na be ma kwala no waye depressed say waye depression say or depression say or take drugs me amiti hai obi oni mi bia ni me maami owo mako 14 me na me ye last born me maami wo mako 14 me na me ye last born okay na me mpo a me ye last born no me hia me nanso da ye one fene say when the mpo o mesi da ya na say wo meto car ana o meye japade bi mame nyame wa hira me ene wa hira me nuanom nyina ne wa hira me manso enunti ne bibibia ne wa beka akola ne say ana pressure bia ni akola ne so say pressure won so say e wo se chinchin a obesi dan na so obeye japade na obeye bibidi mame ama ebema depression aba ne so sabi obi bia de ne bako school ebi de omoba eko eye ma omko eye doctor sanso na kwala na oba ye ne mitua music school aboden de man se ne ebe ya obeko school na ono so abeye nyumtuni because eno na ne da na koma so ena nyame ncha de ne na ye na nisu ade hunu se daache no obetimi abeye nyumtuni no na wabeba wa ye nyumtuni eno nchira sa kwala no ye depressed oni bibia ye oni na mu wiase anaso oni na mo Ghana anaso oni na maburochire ha na ni da so nyina asa na mikukuru no de ne beto o my Ghana mu se omra metna Ghana na depress mechiri no akwala no ono ontisa mene me manyina aburochire ha ne yete na oko school ankasa asua ne nwoma wieye na oko school nyina no osan ye ni music career no so ka ho enti sane wo ko ni school wie ya eye ni pese obeto nwumia na mde no call my Ghana mu obi oni mi wo Ghana bia ni mu say me ba wendi ama Ghana da omrekwa na me nka ne ho sometimes aya na me tini ankrofo bi ka na kire say entro ni sa kohwisam asabi aya na binumu di no aya na me ntiase me akasa na me so many times biara me kai say
I want for her video no about time wakasa about time bia no no asabi enkrofo tiny beni a obeye di ahwe talkless of about on obetna bucha wakasa buche ye mo enkrofo ma o se garafo don't try with her they say no enkrofo be invite o ma be World War 4 eba besi o ma be say ko ye video eba because she during the course of the week delay dia ko follow ni video Kecho Joshua say homa won trimo tete onu so to be money Kecho responding the reason why on follow Crawford say ni ma so a video about kasa. Was it right for the mother to talk? Was it? Did the mother have to come out and I say so go a video kasa? Brief one.
Well, me personally, I think Okasa out of pain. Because about time in Sunum, so I say, it can be business anymore. Dimbo like anything where to turn to me. So about time, I was saying, "Yeah, Bonnie bedding, I can't some fan about home." Now we say what it's about Christo Sumu, so I'm Zadano. Bad in Yam Sumat, no free Yamimu, Ama crying to Yam Sum. Oh, as a winning. Oh, now so Shana and Nipa be super crying and say, "I crab in Pukra or no Musu anything." Now, Mam, maybe be and say, Moody no bonnet, Kusu Crano. Eh, my meno, Mimi, who is our video out of pain. In the years of course, harm to Nibana. Debbie, out of pain. Debbie, yes, and two other.
Minaba. Mama we dey kafra oi na batan dia wo ba na ye kan dixia asama na ya kafra asam no won maame no wa be kan de all right obeka de defend ne ba no yeah mini problem no with maame no yeah Wendy na me wo problem with oro what ma say the all ya na nyum aye kan ho asem say we ne be ma episode 3 say friends enyum no beat ni ne dia ofan kosi masa wo wia what ma say wo ko wia wo dey me pacho wo dey ma me chance wo bakra
meba ma beat asma akofa ba yi no
wo dey ma me wie na obeba ho ohun wo wia ma me no onim game no se na esi ko mama medical catch mama kafra wo musa Ekofo sopa ne ba no dodo. On YouTube phone ni ase. Mama wo ba na nko wi anka yembe sopa no.
And I said before that no nye beat no was no mama be kasa yo. Even that even that the mother came to talk as na YouTube asem yi be dey ebeba. So I say only problem nyina ne say the way I delay ba bonti be kasa people are suggesting say she's on drugs. Ebia oya boda
exactly because about time ni sunumu
se mama nim se onyi akokuduro a obetime gina saade na ano a wati ase enke on ma wali we say emba Ghana emba because na dey oba wo dey wo ba ye dey yo
etimi ba o
me kwa me te wo dey ba me fan chaw
o ma na kwa te say Ghana no the HSL we be celebrate dia ye be do attempts
ma be tro ye dey twa ye furuma ye dey ayeduane am ye di ye dey aye nsu am ya no
enti ye super ye super
aka ho
but wo su bi na hwe na su ni mboa wa e wo se wujai
but then one thing
na ye enye sampani foko yi a mu ti wo ya mama be yi se obeka e favor ne ba no otima se ne ba no on drugs on tise wo dey me ba otima se de o kan imagine to batan ye mbehye no oh batan mama kafra why nemom Wendy no so nani nda ho sele city so wo sua obi asasa ho entia wo pa wati ase wo tia wo pa enso ye be twen wo tia wo pa na ye be tene na ire ama wo tira mjo na ase because Wendy ni bob by no all by for purpose nti the purpose on create ni de ne yan tu
maame na asem na o ka no say oba tan bia
and then me tum any ya and them me tum and ma catch some confra
maame ni kasa out of pain
okay
magia tum
okay
say Okasa out of pain.
And when this on yan no mai and when yan ye yan so yan dey ada petra.
And yo ya ti.
Me twa no pa. Delay why are there one no po but why are there what can ye.
Okay. There say ya kasa but yen say na be ko no ye ma clarification bi wo YouTube enema ni how mo twen ne nwum ne to form because obo o no te kira on te ase the reason why ntia omo yi nwum no e de to let me say YouTube for e wo mra emra bebra a guide videos even so for binyum na say wo de ye video na wa ma wan chop bi kura say me need rights to these songs are copyright to these songs it me to a pulley from YouTube is the same thing as a friend is say Facebook who you so binyum but situation when the situation you know e better about say enyum na offer e bia offer beat no but also some beat no along the line eti nem so omko tena nye so mo yi fi e honom na no mo yi fi honom omko tena se
we wia na we wia
I will say I will share beats and say a similar but along the line no a beat near the essence time with the bar back on YouTube. But YouTube I think that they all went the apology because a man about saying saving about saying why
YouTube on Wendy apology. Okay. Because ebina minia prince ya de chrono to Wendy so.
Ghana 4 pesa mu kreti mo de. Na mu nja sa mo tetetete.
Ebina de ba ya de Wendy ba ya mo se enye no. No de na utia o kan.
Na de ba Wendy de na waye.
Anya na mo super nso de nyuntu.
Na de na nyuma na wato.
Oh, Tonyo Mosi onye.
And also YouTube say another platform a man you to phone beefy baby. So I say because the more subscribers and I say more viewers e more muska yan to also. Because they say me no. Me hu be obi age na. Me share wa me hu nipa me no be ka no ho ase. Me share wa me hu nipa because me hu say with the medical way. I want for yan to so ko bulldog. Bulldog asoye. Wa ko pento kwa chenye. Okokanto kwa ontimi nkunwi awafo ya starting frefre no bia na ifo frɛ no mo kaise last week me react to onene fear shots nega ne Arnold omukọ hia wo Mac Brown show so ensem bebre divorce ne men's gold insensem by sa we show us no make some comments be ewo ehodom say nanado wa hwe ye no wan twa men's gold yes yo mama retracting ye mama mamu say bulldog say menyem na mekan na mankonya asem o see said aladu men's good customers had 4 years no on end awafo I know said if you so to one say Ghana 40 was hey major bulldog hweye so start now po wo I found corner nado so na ye threat also if you shut up ko wanu tum ko wanu pado ya fum phone abudin if you are no asama okoka ya friend no headquarters esi be yiwa no ye chi no na ye chi no mankofo be be kasa ye shata ono ani former manager ni bulldog oba o se a nti a major bulldog na ni abri bebre se men's gold we asem ro se ye bulldog zika kom efia so ye video o se senanado susu wura kwajiji ni susu utwa patara se susu wura ujiji susu na se susu wura de usika adwane a ye nkwaje wa bansem ntina du mo ntwe obi aka adwane me ko se video ni nyina emra ye ma omba kira bwadwe na me say ne ejabe to ofia ye komra
I don't work at Men's Gold. I don't work at Men's Gold. I'm a customer. Yes, I'm a customer of Men's Gold. That's why I'm angry.
Xylophone belongs to who?
I work at Xylophone. I don't work at Men's Gold. So when you have an issue with Nana Piamensa, go and take it on.
I don't even know him. I don't even know that class.
FM Bulldog. Thank you very much on Men's Gold.
You don't even have money there, and I don't know why you are all over the place.
Do you think I put my money in Men's Gold? I would rather eat my shit.
Do that.
Do that. Instead of sending me
do that.
I will go and sit down and dine on my shit.
People, somebody said, I'm coming to shut down business to help customers or save them. You make sure that the business pays customers.
And Bulldog.
This is very simple. I don't know how you are thinking what I think.
Rather than put my money in Men's Gold. Now I'm going to put toilet when I'm flashing.
If you are buy a man and no casano. It's me more na me boy. Me the shwan so so na boy fu. Me can fear the also who some dey need the ma.
Yes ma.
What you say?
I no quite the emphasis.
Ebu any fear. Thank you very much on Men's Gold. The mo be kan bia ni on ma do obi asika be ma no.
Oh scan there ever.
Ebeba ho.
Na Ghana do be dwane on we 4 years. I'm telling you. You're not going to finish in 4 years. Listen, my point is that me we'll see UTV. Just shut up. That's none of your business. No, you say I'm telling you. Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said it.
Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said the president cannot finish his 4 years. Is that right?
So what? I'm going to shoot the president or kill the president. What do you mean?
The things you are saying, I'll be called as a witness.
And your pastor Nitia, Nyamisha.
Hey, Bulldog, yeah. Bulldog, sometimes. Come on. My ear is a baptism. Okay, so let me just make this clear. Bulldog has this problem with the government. Say, Argentina almost shut men's gold down because he saved, I think about 1 point. On Nonisiga, I will save here 1.8 million Ghana cedis. And what the investors be so like not in coffee be and they've paid almost like 2-point-something million and men's gold. So when this thing happened, like pressure ban, you know, like he's missing a whole lot of things. And I tell him that no, I'm good with the MPP party, I'm good with the NDC, I'm good with most of these politicians. So when you keep saying things like this, you know, you make me lose certain opportunities that I'm getting. But I believe that he's just saying out of like frustration. Why frustrated? Don't one day I won't lie to you.
You're about for if you're Schwarzenegger or you cause trouble pa. The job because I say I want for as I'm there we you say no Bulldog or what set bill 70,000 and the amount they say you know, but as they be feel no they say what drink they would say and said that do Ochia was it right for Bulldog to threaten the president?
Remember I'm say Bulldog na some now work on Bulldog one can because akola we ni so ade ahun and ye wo nananom fie na obekọ akoja na ya ide sebi esi oti ase yeah ya de ultimi sorry keke Ghana mine na say ya yama na ba beda ho free obi asora na wabo ewrem na okeka na adwen oti ma se Bulldog kwa kana adwen wan kan yi na emomum ye hwe bebi asam ni fi baaye efie Schwarzenegger na kotwetwe sade we ina ba I feel say adenti ona ka se nu adwen na omu ina kire ena Bulldog nso me hwe ono nso no ho akodim otima se no ho akodim o dey make statement when e fia twen adwusu so threat president no akade eno na make catch us if Schwarzenegger on na mo nipa bonefo miminim so nipa bonefo obese da ba abegija so pe wasem so no town efia nyamam ka yo efia Schwarzenegger obeye so pe wasem we Ghana for momo ni nda ho wadanfo je efia Schwarzenegger one nam abia weni tu na hwe ni yie o weni ba ko na anim ha se na osan wo ba ko na chi onye no ni papa Bulldog infa konkom bra ko de mu na efia Schwarzenegger o te wo na osre osi se susuru akoji which is ya Ghana ya wo dia me ba milim sa wo de obeka bia ma onu aba no susuru ad ben na ko ye dai no Ghana ya Ghana yesusa ye ni se susuru a ekojiji susu a na so du dwane a yanko police station ko report na efia Schwarzenegger den onimo men's gold na men's gold ya ban adwuma en ya ban adwuma na den onimo mo a ono no oka Bulldog ni score da ko se meba se men's gold omuni scan ko se on en scan no so aba anko be ko na ko adu biara meba na udu sika ko to baabi enya bank on van ko to Bank of Ghana one adu sika ko to ho enti wo ko to shares akodi mfaso na so ayeso ko twa ubema na wenye ntwa na pieto aka wanzam ha obi asem na se na do so am be jino amfa be campaign so be dia ma o anka Bulldog campaign kai all back 4 years election o kai o se false information it's mo betem ana papa bi kai no the fake is news mo kwa the news is fake na do on card dia o se susura edu sike dwade ye ndi tie odu sika akoto baabi okoye investment na enya senke ne emfa ne se ye ti Ghana nyina mo ton mako oboka aban ma ton mako maboka mbeji misika wo aban me misika ko mo obi wantu ya me beji wo ka aban ontimi ntina enti se sia o me ba o che ye de ti Bulldog no che ye chen e dem fa so pa na munya wo enya ti no all threaten president but threaten all threaten president no Bulldog e can 7 out of pain but okay na yet say me no tie e ka sanam sunia ha de o ye de mekun enya kun se me ko fa se ke ya bekun eh twi ka se bia ye tai ka e no because the president be dwane ne nam a even though onye kasa papa no ke wan kan ye na na do enye ni tipen no so bet ma ka sa asem na chair sitting president so be dwane afriko no but oba akanka sem ne e ka so bia be dwane a me hawo ube dwane no kwan be bre so enye se odi tuo be siw so anase odi abai be di wachi ana okofa bibia ba be pam se sorry for ekunya ne so what I say but e bia obeye demonstration bi ana niema bia obeye ye ene bia be ma obi a president be kasa afi ma bre bia kwan se ne omo mfa so ne enye se ne mfa musika enye de e ma mo masa waka this should be no Mwanche Fia Swasdega and come maintain. Oh, you know, motor no more kind. On no go for men's good as by back to him. Never Bulldogs who came in on your first Swasdega and the second him. Unim. It's no Becca or Becca or no Ghana or no Bias and no can't say
Unim. Men's good issue now more canina. Scan on what they call men's good no. Men find us out here, you could be a Juma. What I say? Now, make one can Jimmy and a man from me one call. Maybe Uncle be a Juma. Now, Osia Juma mini licenses, may be a now by out who sell any licenses. What's I mean, be a no my bow have a licenses, bro. Young council will be. Also, we have Phoebe Bill. Say minim say o hwe video no wan kai say efia so as they get na o ka bibi o no say me ba me problem ni na efia o efia church and say me mu ko deep about men's good na ma Bulldog so dey ahometew e kan ye what ma say me ba efia chire mu Bulldog efia dane no ho friend say komsefo ba o say o hye ho nkom. That was last year. Say men's gold no obi ankwajin Elijah. And you may be a honoma. Abi o first as they go Elijah. I had to say I know Samuel. I had to say do sika to bank. No be me kai say bank bi buy. O do sika to ani amount to mapo. Na o ankwajin to mapo na to mapo ne to ne say. O sika na ni account to mapo. They go na make no. You dey no who say men's gold di sika ne bedwane. Okay. And I make say I'm first I say we koye investment. Massa, there be a fear that you wouldn't have to be true. Yeah, they all can say profits, a fear no on coil, but a beer obedient sika coil. And 70 and Hobanians sugar coated West Neck catcher say, would you sika bet about 300%? About 300%. Why not? Business now can it is too good to be true. Who can brofu send me a cassa 70%? This is meba, my make a show. If you was the game, problem in as a man's good as I'm not on the cool raise by. Yeah, I'll take him. So what is a host in the buy you? So one of the normal actually for the whole of the year. I can't want some. Bulldog on what dear? No crown of one say. And a Bulldog aside, no, make Kaiser Michelle show be also another team the president and another the president and then you meaning say Bulldog no he our personal BB against another Nedada. Okay, but men's gold are 7 kind of mini bad, but because of Sani sense them that they be our common a term that they be no. And no tin ma same way no kind many pa fan say a personal say be a woman but Bulldog no or one a personal BB against another Nedada. Ah Bulldog me no nyina nim say o ye NDC ni. So that's why NDC so here. They say NDC. Yeah, enya bone entity statement no make here no. And no na kofa sa. Mama ka bi to Ghana no obi ade no hu. Obi ade obi ati ka but that's a me dey fi kwa na mo ye nche no. Yeah, but it is every before BB on betumi acha mko che sam dey fi. Yeah, but a lesson. A lesson to other and crana where training painful away training. What I say? We live in a country whereby say won't me fat phone in so now on can send here sitting president. Yeah, nyani sir. What I say? It's a photo many panel where democracy doesn't mean say we can say we be a child. When you for na ye di omo or Ghana no. Oh, some politicians no mu Ghana ho no. What you say? Omo ka dey change the Bulldog kan. E bi at say campaign no. Me too was here campaign.
Yeah, patch say obi to say right now obu akola be say 5 years no ma me di phone man. No, the president. What how akola boy e dey nya phone. It is say o he say Bulldog or ye social Ebeka say influencer e wo Ghana. What now we so kan assembly sana. Akola bi to bia e man adwen so beti ready the president atem. Yes, Fabuoma ona ne waja. Enya ona ne waja ne kwa no papa no mame o. Bulldog sen kan ne papa ene Akufo Addo ene obi kan sa asem na o kan ne che.
Organity na ye ya afiwe ne ya so ne pa.
Se Bulldog sen ne
Odebeya disua the next time so ba bonti na oka omampanya sama Odebeya disua.
Also nipa nya Bulldog nko nipa ne mpanfo e wo Ghana na also mu hu kwan e fa so kasa eche nipa etina mu se mpanfo na e ka because se Ghana no Ghana ba bia ya du sese na kwa ese akra kasa che panyina ondwe ho panyin kasa che akra ondwe ho amoma ebuo embra o mu kasa
mpanfo na aye ne sa na amankwala
o tia se enti eno no eye lesson enti Bulldog de
radio station obi atumika de ope
mama Bulldog de ye ntwe na so yie na enya adesuade ma afoforo
ele mo kwachi Kenneth de Aponka
how do any awa semo
ceasefire say say we hu obi agina bre me say ye ko ya wafo me asase me ko pay MPP ni bi bai obepem asem ham na they say the be show mu mienu say me page ade cheche ntem na they say baby am ko dey ano odede awafo
the truth hurts
into no so bulldog ya sense bulldog sense ya okofa ba ye de bia be so McBrown so ye Kumerica Beyonce awafo lo ya am pass ye nchi McBrown so nka McBrown aye dey onka ka hwe o see McBrown show so na bulldog e ka asem no e bad u share interview na say show no mo ye na McBrown o ka asem ni we no McBrown e ma na retrack asem na o ye dey o ka ye no ba lo yan pass on do on tiase still ye check McBrown would you say check McBrown because o ka asem no ka say
everybody hold accountable to their own deeds and answer their own ways even though on the man platform is on kasa but to me, okay, no catch and I think so. I'll share a video in man see so man retracting the statement now make here show ni so. So to me, I think so I retract it. That's still a buy say. As 7 hours so I can even make I say bulldog kind if you make comments be your honor bulldog catch and say, oh, na me meet ma kwa kuna na do na say meet ma kwa any day. The honor it means say we retract it. But no correction na ma say man retract it after same song be real show. It is still as a government who say the bulldog can on person holding accountable. McBrown is a free person.
Lawyer Mitchell, lawyer now lawyer ampa akasa ndena why no hold to say as a lawyer bi otete o wa no we pay back. What you say? Assembly ba no abetwe ne kon kakra no wa pay. What you say na obaje fans bi sa fans we dem kan fa no. Ya go che ne say. Ye ti dan kasa kasa ke ti omo mutu we na e kan ho. What you say? Because assembly nipa ne kan e ho na o follow no. What you say e ma ne kan. Nti no problem le say. Lawyer we dem me don we adwen sa. Nti no wa ha wasam no kwa no. Me kwa me di wa ma. Akoto baby me na ba enko ye ni.
Ye ko hedi ma. Ne ye ko say association bi aba wa Ghana. Amafo me de yesi o ma no me say me be gina bi wa ha ma mo ene me ya santo wa ha say obusi me wa si mo no o ma bere mobile money transfer o ma bere o mu tibi basket is about the Stingy Men Association na stingy no mo start so wo jo mo si sa akode ene the most stingy man it say obo hwe do ye stingy say sa akode let me tell you say sa akode ni sika go for che ma mo ana say Sarkodie is the most stingy person, and it's because of that in Tamati. Stingy man say, "Oh, share a video and I say, share way that who say." They say, "Oh, my ID cards in there. Who say ID card? You try to check. Who they screen that say, "Confirm the ID card. Be a stingy. We say I'm the stingy. I'm stingy more than Sarkodie. Obi cry you say, the stinginess no yeah. You vlogger woman and I prempe. That prempe was so hard. You found. O say so a stingy. Now you stingy. Mama fura. Mama what's my stingy? They say Stingy Men Association. Stingy Men Association. I mean, that blogger also a blogger, one of the most amazing blogger we got. Also, so a stingy. They say
stingy there. Bema there also tia na unsakwa. So me tia ma me unsakwa. Now be stingy say. And if I suffer we, you free and me could tia ma. If I suffer we, Sarkodie na nkasa on tia. Sa na me hu no on tia. Pepe won afa. Me penasem sak you be a me feel sak. No musically me feel sak 100%. Monica. But me nya encounter personally that. Monica. Yeah, me nya encounter back I think way back sunyane me nya encounter way back sunyane that. Obo show at that time I was school. Oh, nyesika no kra me kan say no kra no ba no. No obo show I think I am say Christian Service and Catholic University. At that time, na the manager Angel Hona no school. Me so na me school or Sunyane Poly. Near person me bo show my akwa say ma mba mo ntino mo sika na mo kan de meji mu say. Say sak yes so wo ba oba bi na yes so ntinka je hu ye mo bona nka e department e bo mai. Also want to say onye free show but yes no wanye. Ye mfa no kra nko to baby. Sack who na oye pepe most nkofo be break cause the sack on chade we na be fra sack and mommy way and I mean sack sia na you say me who oh sack
na he has family to take care of
and I don't go sweat omo search e mbrent omu ni abusu omu ni ma
and they say who decision
and me decision na ya kan na wa ni de na cost akwa is or too stingy fresa akwa de anyom share all worry obo oni can promise born and you move to make sika no video as mun twa me wedding na me fan shame na me fan video etu yi sika de video creativity why ti He all the creativity, no. I think say sack pepe on Yisika on Chadie. On Chadie, sack.
He's not the first person to do that.
Oh, sack in Chadie, on Chadie, sack in someone.
Beyonce Cross, say, or the video be and so releases a letter to Africa. Nema twins in one of the videos, Nema meaning in the home videos near Dinina, Nema a woman.
Oh, Beyonce Chadie,
it is a stingy men association over joining and I am out. Okay. Hey, me, boy,
I saw Cassembi. Now, your kind of me say, or Cassa Sako there, be game. Now, we can find some what I see pa. Game no boom. Satakeka was an anoso. Satakeka was an anoso. I mean, it's a sata, or Kaka was an anoso. Sata, who I didn't from beginning.
It too much I say, Satan initiate.
Or Nina, you do mother. Ena onim senia nipa city. Chese me ba okwa kase amba monten amba me kan ke nipa dwen ma so ala
kase na beka say ono so ofre na onfa
so nim so be de kwen kakra na so ono kwa say come dey nti na ofre na kwa de kitchen so oni say ene dey ho ne dey awu ba o saka no mbie mu
ukrofu na o mazema dema
o na say
o ma me fanti ya enyumre
so obi game no mu a
they say ko akese ni boto mare
oni say da ofre saka ya da so akola ofre na da so akola na so ofre
o tell squad do ma chekro ni bi
oh no I block man e falling shebe what I say uni bibi saka obi game no mu a adenti na so obi em what I say ono ye na dun so be biem ti no osisu okofe ne yere ba ko o ware no why so onye guess ne no be biem ayre ama o ti ma say
waje atu so omiem
na ombiem so
good to say
omiem e ya de obebiem nti na sata so di si
omia so so no nko en
nti no omia association ne dia me meko akojani
amafo they say o be kokojani CG men
what means a sack or pay free show any how show am your yes so be bomb money na open free obetia am no hwa wontia
mejoy
yeah sack o show no be sack for ni
sack na creative sa stingy omo to do mo say
the engi am kan o hwa o the di music industry no omo ne omo ye o the di o matter me kai say akwa bi em say akwa bi aso koye show bia ma no why na so koye bibi man ya odabo ana em so bia em so koye bibi ma sack o se bibi ko am friend kran kan chen say o me dawase wan fi no
bia ni
ontia enti utum say industry no or the industry
strong man ko fa na sifie amfa ko je fast what you say ombie mu man wa kola wa tena won chai ke ba na o ko le na o so tia ombie ni
say ye ko say engrofobia start say omo dey say no omo nye dwuma bia they all want obi o popular kakra so omo hwe no mu din don be ye nema no mu dey trend obi say buko manko start bleach share my eyelashes last week he reacted to it and also right now no another person no I na dream so to body but on na dream so be you see because they say Ghana no like me other way kai or see oh talent na they don't appreciate the talent but oh to anybody kakra bia uginem so I say e ye better pa x yes so the buko manku omo which I think said and you know if I just say because say kasafa because nkwase asem baby if you want to be famous you have talent bribe support but say we buko bagu chimpe about for the video kakra bi mra omo nkwase adono mu di
now, Patapa, if you don't love me and the love, Patapa, if you don't love black woman, me and the love black woman. Now, say you love me, kiss me. Say something.
Patapa, if you don't love me and you go in for a brony, I also love my brony.
Everybody say Bankueva.
Bankueva.
My name is Rama Kamoko, aka Buko. Now, Patapa, if you don't love me and the love, Patapa, if you don't love black woman, me and the love black woman. Now, say you love me, kiss me. Say something.
Patapa, if you don't love me and you go in for a brony, I also love my brony.
Everybody say Bankueva.
Bankueva.
You are for. Answer na won say the be say the be to say answer na me sign it out no. Me want more pictures and then video of the week. It's no this week the end there e do twem e be why am just say omo for omo adwene nyame dia ma omo eye dwuma omo de omo body dey empo ho ne be ye we. It's right now I say be kon me videos of the week and then pictures of the week in Sombra. Shout out to one of my biggest subscriber via David commenting in nature oba papa me da say support me na me so comment no me gusua twen wa ase o de ye no mo kwa adwinkro mu a me so comment say on pene ma no so ntwema na comment wa say na mo me so me so me ma refi say oba subscribe na do like it no share video yi ama me da was say da bia mo support me na won say me obu di ye pa next week. Me don't be say we say bitua na me say Mr. Sinji je me ne kakra de e botua le de me na na be street so that say me say share that say alios ciao